ang atong garden, guys. Soon we're planting our garden. Magtanom ta og daghang utan. So, bungkal-bungkal ta ani. Kaya magtanom ta og utanon. Nice kaya itong garden, guys. So mag-garden ta soon. Very, very soon. For now, that's what you see, the horsey. Guys, someone's eating the tree. I better watch this. Oh no. We're gonna have to cut this tree. It's very expensive, guys. Oh my god, it's so windy. Let's go back. No. Guys, what's in that tree? Right there. Is that an owl? Someone out there, right there. An eagle? You see it? I don't either. Oh my god, it's super cold. Huh? And the blue sky.